Well, it has been good so far. We saw a tight game. We had a close game. We had a good win also. So I think overall it has been good. We have shown signs of improvement over the period of time in all the departments. So definitely it has been good. So we'd like to improve a bit of our bowling, and especially if a batsman sets in, how to get him out, how to put pressure on that particular batsman so that you push him to play a big shot and eventually get him out. That will be one of the areas. A lot have been talked about our fielding, but moreover throughout the tournament the fielding will be quite the same. I don't see a drastic improvement in our fielding. And when it comes to batting, if you can be more consistent, if you get off to a good start, if you can make it big, it will be really good for the side. Of course, one big thing is to win this game with a big margin, but at the end of the day, we'll see how the opposition team also plays. Well, not thinking about the expectation is one good thing. You can distract yourself off it, and what is important is to again think about the process. You want to make the most out of that particular game, especially in the departments where you want to see improvement. So we shouldn't be really thinking about the result. It's about the process and about the things that we want to get out of that particular game. One good thing so far, most of the batsmen, they have got a chance to play, and we have featured quite a few bowlers also, but it's always good to feature all the bowlers, see what all options you have got, but still the important thing is to win each and every game. But definitely we'll love to give them a chance, and especially in the league stage, before entering the knockout stage. And as far as chasing is concerned, we are not too much worried, but of course there was a period of time, when we were under a bit of pressure from the Ireland side, which of course happens in international cricket. So I think the batsman did a real good job to get out of it and win the game. Well, I think it's becoming a very difficult choice to actually make it happen, because we want Yusuf also to bat a bit, because most of the batsmen, they have got a chance to bat, but Yusuf is one candidate which I feel you need to spend a bit more time in the middle. So then it becomes a bit difficult for to make place for Raina. Then you'll have to either request a Virat Kohli or a Gautam Gambhir or a Virender Sehwag to take rest in this particular game. Which I don't think anyone will like, because it's their home ground, so they will like to make it big over here. So I think personally it will be quite difficult to feature Raina in the 11th, particularly in the next game. I'm a great fan of Yuvraj Singh, because he bats at number 4. He can change the way he needs to bat according to the demands. He can play aggressive cricket at the same time. He can play defensive cricket if needed, and of course his bowling comes as a big asset, especially because we play with 4 bowlers, so he has to fill in the job of the 5th bowler, which I think he's doing brilliantly right now. Well, if you see the playing 11, it's a bit different. There are a few key fast bowlers which are missing. Ashish has been struggling for the past few games when it comes to fitness. Zach is the only one. Munaf has come back after a long time. Has been part of the series for the part of the tournament for the part of the team for the last few series. So it's a very different fast bowling attack that we are looking at, and we are just trying to see whether 2 and 2 is an ideal combination, whether we can really look to play the tournament with 2 seamers and 2 spinners. So this is the time when we can really look at it, and hopefully we'll have the best bowling attack by the end of the league stage.